know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. I've never fallen quite this high, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes.
We are talking about the adverb of frequency. These are those adverbs of frequency. Always, agony, agony. Say it, agony,